Yeah, today we're gonna sharpen knife. 1, 2, 3. So I have this Master Chiff. So we have 3 stages. Diamond. Okay. Ceramic polish. This is the sharpener and prepare. So basically, I'm gonna start from the first one. I'm gonna take from bigger knife. Just put it like at the beginning, beside the handle, and smooth. Apply a little bit of pressure, and you're gonna feel it maybe like 5-6 times, and you feel it's no resistance. It's just going to the same level of sliding through this. So it's prepared. Now we're gonna sharpen her in the middle. Again, apply a little bit of pressure, and yeah, now it's time to do the last one. It's just the ceramic. This is the polishing. Now we have nice and shiny edge, and it's gonna cut much easier through everything. So that's probably take a couple minutes. I am doing like this one, a smaller one, and middle one the same, maybe once in 2 months, and it keeps your knife easy to use and comfortable. Thank you for watching.